used to find that whole conversation so uncomfortable.
You took the risk.
Yeah, I took a massive risk. क्या लग रहा है आंखें ठीक है? I mean, you do that to me all the time, but who's the chief minister of Uttarakhand? I told them 34. They still let me in. Anyway, we are now headed to Chandigarh for work. It's going to be a to and fro trip. We are in the stunning Forest Research Institute, picking up the poster child of insubordination.
That is so.
According to maps, it's a 4-hour drive, but let's see. There's like a lot of construction happening ever since the rains wreaked havoc on the already crumbling roads. It's taken a while to recover, but check out this view, man. She lives here. Isn't that something?
This is nothing. You should go towards the building.
No, it's okay. This video is not about how stunning your house is.
I said the building, the museum.
This is about Chandigarh and the work trip to Chandigarh. Alright, quick traffic update while exiting the city. It's terrible. Not the best start. Would have been better if I started my journey early morning. But koi gal nahi. Once this is done, I think it should be better. So yeah. Bro, for real, I'm gonna be an authority on Indian roads traversed with sedans. Like, I think I can write articles on it in a while, because check out these beautiful roads, baby. And to do them in a long wheelbase sedan, ooh la la. So yeah, we'll just see how things go. And I'll let you know how it went for me in this vehicle for sure. We're going so zig and zag, because you see these, look at that. I don't know if you can tell. It's truly like going off-roading. Slow and steady wins the race, baby. यहाँ से लेना? Acha, who's the chief minister of Uttarakhand?
Dhami. Thank you.
Bro, so she is defending the road and all. So I'm like, you support her or whatever. And then she's like, and then I'm like, Dhami Sarkar. And she's like, ये धामी कौन होता है? ये क्या होता है? Oh God, my mom's calling. But we're working on a script. Hello? वाह क्या scene है, boys. मजा आ गया. क्या scene है. स्ट्रेट पौंटा साहिब चंडीगढ़ अंबाला एक अब फ्लाईओवर आया है।
लेफ्ट साइड पे देखिए,
ये उतरना है।
ये लगे हुए बैरिकेड तो लगे हुए बीच में जगह है जाने।
हाँ,
और इसके नीचे उतरना।
क्यों सीधा जाके कहाँ जाएगा?
सीधा जाके तुझे थोड़ा कच्चे में उतरना पड़ेगा अगर जाना है तो।
अच्छा, अब मैं नीचे उतर गया, अब क्या करना है?
अब नीचे उतर के आगे जाके राइट टर्न कर जाना।
फ्लाईओवर के नीचे?
हाँ, फ्लाईओवर के नीचे से राइट टर्न कर।
अच्छा,
ये अब आपको सहसपुर निकाल देगा, बस सहसपुर से आपको चक्रोता रोड खाली मिलेगी।
ये सहसपुर निकालेगा? हरबटपुर वाला चौक?
हाँ।
ये तो अब छोटी सी एक गली में डाल दिया इसने हमें।
कौन सी गली में?
मतलब छोटी सी कोई लेन है।
रोड है ना, मेटल रोड है ना।
हाँ हाँ, प्रॉपर रोड है।
हाँ, मेटल रोड है।
खेतों के बीच है ये?
हाँ, खेतों के बीच में। ब्रिज आ गया?
हाँ, ब्रिज दिख रहा है आगे।
ब्रिज से पार करेगा, मेन रोड पे लेफ्ट हो जाएगी।
ब्रिज के कितने देर बाद?
ज़्यादा 2 मिनट 3 मिनट।
ओके, आई एम एट द ब्रिज। अच्छा, आगे जो मेन चक्राता रोड है।
हाँ, उसके नीचे।
पर अगर वहाँ से सीधा जाते जाते थोड़ा कच्चा रास्ता आता?
कच्चा आता है, वहाँ तू गाड़ी उतारता तुझे बड़ी।
चलो ठीक है, थैंक यू। अब बेसिकली टी पॉइंट से लेफ्ट लेना है ना?
हाँ, टी पॉइंट।
ओके, बाय। That is Gurdwara Shri Ponta Sahib, a very pivotal Gurdwara because Guru Gobind Singh Ji was here on the invitation of the Raja of Nahan. I don't know, I could be wrong, but he was here on the invitation. Have you been to the Gurdwara here?
Yes, I like the prashad. It's very.
It's Yomers. I think they do an exceedingly tasty prashad. I don't know what it's called, but it's grainy. Mota atta, I think it's called. Yeah. So it's grainy and so yum. I could like go for refills. But yeah. So the whole reason why I was on call with my father about कौन सा रास्ता लेना है, कौन सा रास्ता नहीं लेना, because he's like अगर तू कच्चे में उतारेगा तो गाड़ी तुझे दुख होगा, right? So anyway, because of all this construction, I was ruminating. Which car should I get? Should I get the SUV, the mini SUV or should I get the sedan, right? I was going towards the SUV for obvious reasons. And then he's like, गाड़ी चलाने के लिए बनी है, okay? Depreciation तो होगी. So 15% होगी. So please, खड़ी करने से कोई फायदा नहीं है, निकाल. एक दो जगह खड्डे में जाएगी तो क्या हो गया? So that was the deal and that's how it went. Fast cut दिया एक भी. But anyway, so that's how I ended up getting this car. And good decision, right? जितने भी खड्डा आंदा है और you have a very rough patch, just go real slow, go zigzag. दोनों टायर ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਣੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੱਚੇ ਚ, and then it'll be fine. And even then, if you scrape the underbody, it's fine. I mean, what can one do? So yeah, just hoping for a good smooth drive. And we've carried oatmeal. Ma had packed oatmeal for Vani as well, but the staff thought that it's for Jasmine, so they didn't give it in the car. So anyway, अब वानी भूखी रहेगी.
वानी करण तो नहीं खाएगी. करण घर जाके खाएगा.
Yeah, we'll grab some food in Chandigarh. When you're taking matha, you always cover your hair. When you're doing something, you cover your hair. Like at least in Punjabis, they chunni upar karenge sir pe, then they'll do something. So it's just code of conduct. And for us, for males, naturally it's separate identity, the Khalsa identity that Guru Gobind Singh Ji had tried to give in order to codify and sort of give structure to the Panth, without which there was a big chance that we could have assimilated back into the prevailing ritualistic religions, right? So there's just a code of conduct. There's something called Sikh Rahat Maryada, which has been drafted by now a political organization. But even that says head covered for women and hair inside the Gurdwara Sahib. And you can eat chicken, but only chatka. You can't eat halal. So of course it says it doesn't, of course no alcohol, no tobacco at all. But then we all drink alcohol and also eat chicken. So anyway, I think we are very removed from the true, pure way of living. But as long as we are trying to get there by being good humans first. So I think that's very important. If you are a vegetarian and you don't drink alcohol and you don't smoke and you're a nasty individual, you lend money at usurious rates and try to scam people, what's the damn point? The point is to be a good human first. Everything else comes second. Everything else is secondary, right? You are accountable to the one Almighty. So if you know in your heart you're being a good individual, even if you don't go to the Gurdwara, the Mandir, it's fine. Be a good human first.
Priority one.
Yeah, priority one is a good soul. Don't do bad to people. You know, don't do bad to others. I mean, we do so much evil every single day. Knowingly, unknowingly. We hurt people. We say rude things to our parents. Even that is not okay, right? So try to evolve the soul on a daily basis and just enjoy the process. We're here for a very short while. Just enjoy the process and consciously evolve, which is what we talk about in our sessions, right? Spiritually, physically, financially, evolve. Because when you evolve financially, you can experience more life. If you wanna, say your heart says, I wanna learn lawn tennis. If you don't have financial freedom, you can't just tell your boss, listen, मैं lawn tennis सीखने जा रहा हूँ, 2 घंटे late आऊँगा. I mean, you do that to me all the time, but...
No, I don't call you.
Yeah, you don't call me, you just don't show up. Then I'm like, "Hi, bhai."
And when I come, you're not there because you just left for the gym, and then I asked Manish to waste karna.
So yeah, that's how it goes. So Paonta Sahib to Kala Aam has been one of the worst drives. Every 50 meters there's potholes, and there's no consistency in the depth of these potholes. Some are deep, crater-like, and some are just normal. You can glide over them. Oh god, the entire patch is like broken, man. So anyway, been a terrible drive. Might consider going back from Chandigarh to Dehradun through the other way, which is mostly highway. It's longer, a lot of tolls, but who minds? But this is like, the car's barely going above 30, because as soon as you press on the pedal, you're gonna have to brake once again. But yeah, after Kalam, apparently there's a higher way, so that should be good. This road used to be pretty decent. I think it got broken out. This is what I'm talking about. It got broken down in the rains and they just haven't cared to fix it. Of course, Endeavour folks are just gliding. But what the hell, man? What is this? We have entered from Kala Aam till Panchkula. The highway is pristine, but that patch is terrible. But this is pristine, so we must appreciate what's good yeah, we chanced upon a lot of foolish drivers along the way that are changing lanes without notice. So yeah, this one really felt at home there. Here we are. You zoned out or what? Yeah, so when you come from a boarding school, you're just done with hierarchy. So now that if you want to go to a national law school and do bhaiya and didi and sir and ma'am there, so it's hard. It's going to be a little easier for kids from day schools. And the same thing if you have to do in your workplace. Sir, may I head out? Sir, may I take chutti? And all of that. It's just, at least a person like me, it used to bother me. It used to bother my core. I used to find that whole conversation so uncomfortable of taking a chutti or asking for 2 hours off. Ki mera chashma toot gaya, I need to figure this out. So I'm like, you know what? Let's just leave it for now and figure things out. And while that is your plan, God has some plans as well.
But you took the risk, huh?
Yeah, I took a massive risk. Yeah, my father was not, I don't think he was very on board. Mum was okay. Nobody was on board. People in my family used to tell my father that he's wasting away his life and what's going to become of him and all of that. But if you don't take that plunge, you don't know what's on the other side. Now, this is when things worked out. If they hadn't worked out, then I'd be this massive example of what an idiot.
Black sheep.
Black sheep, like let's not talk to him, right? So, but like I said, it's not me that did it, it's God's plan. If God intended that I become the black sheep, then I would have just been that, regardless of my talent and my hard work or lack of it. I wouldn't have worked hard then, because that would have been destined for me in a sense, right?
Then how do you know God's plan?
You don't. You just subject yourself to His hukum and you do whatever effort you can. Whatever's in your hands, you do that. Jinna kuch hunda hai. Try to evolve. Baki, His plan will always be in operation.
I was interested in journalism. Got a job at Hindustan Times after college.
Would you do a Godi Media job?
What is
You know what Godi Media is?
First
This is like
word.
an organization of these stellar journalists, like stellar, good ethics, honest people. Why am I saying मैंने bad way में कब कहा?
I don't know.
But
I
they don't
don't know.
admit you easily because you have to have like really high ethics. We are only concerned about how the gains are looking in the video. Whether the video is coming out nicely is secondary. But Lenskart is doing amazing business, man. So busy, so busy. Good stuff. They also do good stuff. The ones I showed you. Hello? Hanji. Sir?
टेस्ट वाला जो हमारा सर्विस है
Hanji, kitna? You're dressed like you're here to kill someone, bro.
Assassin.
Assassin. That's your dream profession, na? Salt. Have you seen Salt? Good movie, huh? Angelina. I'm pretty excited to see what my eyesight is. I haven't gotten it checked in a while.
Better.
Worse, of course. क्या लग रहा है? आंखें ठीक है?
नहीं सर, लेफ्ट आई ज़्यादा वीक लग रही है आपको,
है ना?
राइट से।
लेफ्ट आई बहुत वीक है. हंस मत. हंस रहे हैं मेरे. But I can barely see with my left. But with my right I can see everything. अच्छा, आप ये भी कंपेयर कर लोगे कि इनकी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन.
राइट सर, क्या है न्यू क्या आ रही है, दोनों का प्रेजेंट होगा आपका.
ओके.
so now try to read
OFLCV.
okay Tim remove spherical power only only remove spherical power put minus 1.25
साइकिल
My left eye is so cooked.
yes sir yeah okay so this lens is exactly
He's like, yes, it's good. OFLCV, but very blurred. The power or the new power?
okay so right eye power is same
Yeah.
only left eye power increase 0.5 spherical power only
Okay, then I should get old power only, na?
comfortable so continue with that no problem
Dailies I can get with this power.
yeah of course sir you can continue with the old stack
Awesome. Thanks for clearing my doubt here.
Yeah.
From where are you?
I'm from UP.
Okay.
UP Badaयूं.
Okay, okay. Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Happy
Yeah.
New Year soon. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Alrighty. Let's go.
Hello sir.
Let's do it. It's very kind of you.
Oh my god.
You're very kind. Aja ji. Alright. Thank you, ji. What's your name? God bless. Okay, bye. Alrighty. Time to head back. Alright, very quickly, we're gonna have a cup of coffee and eat something and then drive back. Head to the bookstore quickly, pick up something for Papa, and that's pretty much the day. Yeah, we saw this in the showroom. This is about 1 crore 5 lakhs, I think. I could be wrong.
Oh, I remember.
Yeah. It was, iska top niche tha na,
Right.
top down tha.
Yeah. Why didn't you get this one?
This is more like a personal car. This is more like a family car. This is a car you get when you have all other needs met. Say you have a sedan, you have an SUV, everything. Then you get these villa cars. You don't get them randomly, na? What car would you get?
Rolls Royce.
Nice.
This one.
Wow, fancy seeing you. Anji, now we shall pick up a book for Bapu, see if he finds something. We're in, I think this is sector 8. So yeah, we'll do that and then I'll proceed. So we've done pretty much everything, right? It's been a good day. Sun is shining. I'm happy, I'm in a good mood. Woohoo! This one habit can make the entire difference in your life. Reading. Read as much as you can. Absorb. Our teachers would say, kitab ko chaat lo, right? That's how you learn. Alright, the day is done. Now we have picked up the book and we are on the way back. Hope you enjoyed the day. I'm gonna see you later with another vlog. Ciao then. It's the same in every profession. Only the 1% are basically killing it. Content creation में देख ले. I mean, how many people are making good money? Only a few.
Only people with like 900k followers.
In law also, I think only the top 1% are making the big bucks. The rest are just for the leftovers in a sense. The ego is driving you. एक दिन मैं वकील बनूंगा बड़ा. There's a sticker on my car and there's a board outside my house. So that it's all ego-driven pursuit.
Your house also has an advocate Karan Gulati.
I was from a place of ego, I'll admit it.
अब क्या करोगे?
I'm nothing, bro. My name is enough.
Karan Gulati 1 million.
भाई 1.9 हो गए. नया बोर्ड बना. आगे sketch pen से 1.1. Scratch 1.2.